In this video, I will show you how to install latest version of PyTorch 2.0. First of all, I will show you that in my machine PyTorch is not installed. I'll open CMD. I'll open Python here. Now I will import torch and it should give me error. So it says that no module named torch. Now I'll close it. In Google, I will type here PyTorch. I'll open the official website. I'll click here. Then here you can see that PyTorch 2.0 now available, and to install it we have to click here install. I'll click it here. Then you will come on this page. You have to scroll down a little bit and here you will see the option to install it in your machine. Now we are going to install it in Windows. So here you will see that we have that option of Windows. Then the second one is we are going to install it using pip, and you will see here pip is already selected, and then the language is going to be Python. Now if you have CUDA, then you can select the CUDA version, the latest version, and if you don't have CUDA, then you have to select CPU. Even I do not have CUDA, so I will select CPU here. Now you have to make sure that you have selected all this field: Windows, pip, Python, CPU, and this table version. Now we have to click, or we have to copy this command. So I'll copy this, and now I'm going to open one CMD. I'll type here CMD, and then I will just right click and paste it, and then I will press enter, and this will start the installation of PyTorch module. Now you can see that the length is 172.3 MB. It can take a minute depending on your internet speed. Here you can see it is saying installing collected package, and some of the packages are already installed. That is why we see here requirement already satisfied, but it will import the other packages and it can take up to 2-3 minutes depend upon your internet speed. Let's wait. It took about 3 to 4 minutes for me to install the package, and here you can see that successfully installed Torch 2.0. Now I will close this command prompt. I will open a new command prompt. In Windows, I will type CMD. Now I'll start here Python. Now I'm going to import Torch, and it should not give me an error. So you can see that Torch has been successfully imported, and we can also check its version. I will type here torch dot double underscore or dunder version double underscore or dunder, and I'll press enter. And here in the output you can see the latest version of Torch we have installed 2.0 plus CPU, because we selected CPU here. We don't have CUDA in our machine. Now I'll close this, and we can take a look at one example. I'll click on this tutorial, then I'll click on this tensors, and now I'm going to copy this from here. I can click here and I'll paste it in Jupyter Notebook. I'll go here in my browser, I'll paste it here, and I'll press enter. So it should import Torch for me, and it's running. So it has imported, and now let's print this example here. I'm just copy and pasting as it is to show that we have actually installed PyTorch and it is working. And before that, let me print the PyTorch version. I will write here torch dot version, and it is 2.0 plus CPU. Now I'll run this code, and let's print x underscore data. So we get tensor here. So this is how you can install PyTorch in your Windows machine using pip, and in our next tutorial we will see how we can install PyTorch in Anaconda using Conda. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.